What if I told you there's a single budget-friendly powder sitting on your shelf that can outclean most expensive products? A natural cleaner that tackles stains, odors, and grime with almost magical power? Today, I'll reveal 7 creative borax hacks that will completely change the way you clean your home. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on genius cleaning tricks like these. 1. The ultimate laundry booster. Forget overpriced detergents. Add just half a cup of borax to your laundry load, and it supercharges your detergent. Clothes come out brighter, softer, and completely odor-free. It even works on those stubborn smells trapped in gym clothes or kitchen towels. Think of it as giving your detergent secret superpowers. 2. Carpet stain destroyer. Spilled coffee or juice on your carpet. Mix borax with warm water into a paste, gently scrub the stain, and let it dry. Vacuum it up later, and watch the stain vanish. No harsh chemicals, no expensive cleaners, just borax doing its magic. 3. The odor neutralizer. That mysterious musty smell in your garbage bin or shoes? Sprinkle borax directly inside. Let it sit for a while, then rinse or shake it out. The odor doesn't just get masked, it's gone. It's like pressing the reset button for freshness in your home. 4. Sparkling dish cleaner. Here's one you'll wish you knew sooner. Add a spoonful of borax into your dishwasher before running a cycle. It boosts the cleaning power, leaving glasses sparkling and dishes grease-free. Suddenly, your dishwasher feels brand new again. 5. Mold and mildew fighter. Bathrooms are mold's favorite playground. Mix borax with water into a thick paste. Apply it to tiles or grout and let it sit overnight. Next day, wipe it down, and you'll see mold disappear without toxic bleach fumes. A natural powerhouse at work. 6. Drain freshener. Forget harsh drain chemicals that corrode pipes. Pour half a cup of borax followed by boiling water down your drain. It clears minor clogs, deodorizes, and leaves the sink fresh. A safe, eco-friendly way to keep drains healthy. 7. All-purpose surface cleaner. Mix 2 tablespoons of borax with 2 cups of hot water in a spray bottle. Shake it, and boom! You've got an all-purpose cleaner that wipes away grease, grime, and dirt from counters, sinks, and even stovetops. Simple, safe, and powerful. So there you have it. 7 creative borax hacks that can save you money, time, and stress, all while keeping your home sparkling clean. From laundry to drains, carpets to mold, this humble powder proves itself as a true cleaning hero. Which of these hacks will you try first? Tell me in the comments below. And remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss more smart cleaning tips coming your way. And don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and emergency speed cleaning checklist. As a bonus, you'll also get access to our free community